כנראה שלומי. תניחו את האופניים בחוץ, יותר קל יהיה.
לאן את עולה?
לעמוד פה, בתוך
בצדק, בצדק.
איפה הטלפון שלי? שם אותה לא שם?
לכאן? כן, לכאן. לא, אבל לבוא. תשאיר את חומר. אבל יש פה חלון, באמת.
למעלה אין חלון, אני חושב, כאן
בוא נדב, תעלה למעלה.
כי עוד פה זה סגור.
נעלה למעלה אין חלון שם?
הבניין פה מתפרק עם
שלומי, אתה רוצה להישאר פה?
לא,
Siren in Tel Aviv. We have to wait for 10 minutes in the, as you can see, if not the shelter, but we had a wonderful dinner, lunch, and I hope that everything is going to be okay. See the people that enter the building, most of them were come, got used to it, and they're trying to hide in the place without any windows. And here, although there's a window, it's still a little bit sheltery. We didn't hear any homes, at least not yet. It's already 2 minutes. And you will see that people will start to go out soon. Shlomi, did you check what's happened? Can you do that? Can be a false alarm. It happens from time to time. We're expecting the Shlomi is running away. Then are we running away? בדקת, שלומי, כתוב משהו? אתה יכול לבדוק בוויינט בשבילי? I'm trying to check. Actually, I can hear the IDF airplane, I think, now. We are at Florentine neighborhood, which is a very chic-y, old, student-like neighborhood. כתוב משהו? אני לא רואה. Let me check. אני יכול לקבל את it's not here, it's a drone from Lebanon. That matter, it can take a longer time, but I don't know if they already bombed it in the air or not. But I see people are already going out. We are living around terrorists, Muslim terrorists around Israel, and I'm so sad that some of the, I don't know, I call it crazy Christians in Europe and America actually are for them. The minute you say free Palestine, you actually say free terrorist in that matter, because what is happening is only that people like people are tricking innocent people of Europe and America, and actually tells them a lot of lie. But this is the terrorist way anyhow. I don't know what's happened because Shlomi didn't tell me everything. It's difficult for him as well, but I think we can continue with our life. Then another silent alarm. Excellent food. I'm going home to upload a video of today. You know, I'm trying to upload every day a video to my YouTube channel. Then don't forget to follow it. If you do have some questions, please don't hesitate. Bye bye.